Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spy pen cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Ohaton Mini Hidden HD 1080p Video Pen. This pen camera is a straightforward option offering HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second and the ability to take high-resolution photos. Its standout feature is the support for up to 256 gigabytes SD cards, which allows for extensive storage, making it ideal for long recording sessions. In terms of design, the pen is sleek and discreet with a sturdy iron build. It's lightweight at just 2.08 ounces, making it comfortable to carry in your pocket or clip onto a notebook. The operation is simple, thanks to a single top button that handles both video recording and photo capture. However, it lacks additional features like motion detection or built-in memory, which are common in higher-ranked models. Performance-wise, the Ohaton pen delivers decent video quality, but it falls short when compared to others on this list due to its lack of advanced features like loop recording or night vision. It's best suited for quick recordings or situations where extended storage is a priority. The lack of a built-in battery means it's not as portable as other options, as you'll always need to ensure it's connected to a power source. Pros include its large expandable storage, while cons are its limited battery life and basic functionality. Coming in at number 4 is the Sirgawain Premium Body Camera Pen. This model offers full HD 1080p video recording, high-quality photo capture, and motion detection capabilities, making it a versatile choice for various scenarios. Its one-click recording system simplifies usage, and the pen is compatible with both Mac and PC via a quick USB plug-in. The design is compact and portable, easily fitting into a shirt pocket or clipped onto a notebook. The pen has a dark black finish that enhances its discreet appearance. However, it lacks built-in memory, and you'll need to purchase a micro SD card separately, which could be a drawback for some users. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 70 minutes of recording time, which is decent but falls short of some competitors. The Sirgawain excels in its user-friendly design and portability, making it a great choice for students, professionals, or anyone needing quick and straightforward video recording. However, its lower battery life and the extra cost of a micro SD card place it below other options. Pros include motion detection and easy data transfer, while cons are limited recording time and no included memory card. At number 3, we have the MySub Hidden Camera Pen. This device stands out with its built-in 64GB memory, eliminating the need for external memory cards. It captures 1080p HD video and can record continuously for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, which is impressive compared to other models in this price range. The design is sleek and professional, making it perfect for business meetings or classroom settings. A single button operation ensures ease of use, and the indicator light helps confirm recording status without being intrusive. The pen is lightweight yet durable, and its compact design makes it easy to carry discreetly. In terms of performance, the MySub pen delivers high-quality video and reliable recording. It's ideal for users who value simplicity and built-in storage. However, its wired connectivity may limit portability, and it doesn't include advanced features like motion detection. Pros include its generous built-in memory and long battery life, while cons are its lack of wireless connectivity and limited feature set. In second place is the LiPXYY-DS 1080p Small Nanny Camera. This pen camera boasts a built-in 64GB memory and a long-lasting battery that provides up to 240 minutes of continuous recording, making it the longest-lasting option on this list. The 1080p HD camera ensures clear video quality, perfect for capturing important moments indoors or outdoors. The design is robust yet lightweight at 3.52 ounces. And the included USB cable simplifies data transfer. The pen also features a wall mount option, making it versatile for various use cases. Its simple operation and excellent customer support, including a 24-hour response guarantee and a 1-year free replacement policy make it a standout choice. This pen is perfect for users who need extended recording times, such as during long meetings or surveillance sessions, while it's more expensive than some competitors. The added memory and battery life justify the cost. Pros include its long battery life and excellent customer support, while cons are its slightly bulky design and higher price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the Feng-G 1080p hidden camera pen. This upgraded 2025 model offers a perfect balance of features, build quality, and performance. It records crisp 1080p HD video at 30 frames per second and includes a 32GB micro SD card. The automatic loop storage ensures you never run out of space, as older recordings are overwritten seamlessly. The design is professional and discreet, with a durable iron build. At 2.08 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Unique to this model is its USB to USB cable, which ensures secure data transfer without relying on Wi-Fi or third-party servers. This makes it ideal for users concerned about data privacy. Performance-wise, the Feng-G pen delivers reliable and high-quality recordings, whether for business meetings, classroom settings, or surveillance. Its ease of use, combined with features like photo capture and noise reaction, makes it the best overall choice. Pros are its excellent video quality, data security, and included memory card, while cons are its slightly higher price and lack of motion detection. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.